If you are looking for a way to make some extra money, listen up. I joined the Noise app probably about 5 months ago. I saw some people posting about it, wasn't really familiar with it, wanted to give it a try. The Noise app is super easy. It gives you an opportunity to work with a variety of brands and different niches and post for them. And they give you all the information you need to make your videos. They give you the concept, the caption, the on-screen text, and then you just post it. I'm so happy I did, and I stuck with it and stayed consistent because that's what matters with this app. Since I started, I've made over $2,500, and this is just extra money outside of my regular job for me to do things with, savings, take trips. Like, I've been able to put it towards so many different things. If you've been on the hunt for something that's super easy to add into your day, check out Noise.